Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this rechargeable 5000 milliamp hour electric hand warmer. It has an LED light. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a little night light here. Let me grab this guy and show you a little bit closer. So as you guys can see, there's a cool little night light. Now you can turn that off or on with this little button under here. You can also press and hold this for a few seconds and it will engage the hand warmer. So if you're getting, into the winter months, the kiddos are going to be jumping onto the buses, traveling, all that kind of stuff, going back to school during the cold months. This could be a cool thing for them to have. Now, it also comes with this little stand. As you guys can see, it mounts right here. It comes with the USB cable that you're going to need to charge this guy up. And it just kind of sits in this little stand. Now, you can also use this as a reverse charger. So you can actually charge things directly off of this. So this has, again, that 5000 milliamp hour battery. You could use this, for charging other devices, phones, tablets, things like that. Now, I think this is going to be ideal for outdoor activities during the winter months, camping, hunting, sports activities, anything where you're going to be outdoors in the cold weather, but you want to look cool doing it. This guy is definitely going to draw some attention. So if you're looking for something that's going to be a conversation starter, as well as something that is very functional, I think this might be, should be on your radar. Get it on your radar. But anyway, yeah, I do like this. If I still had some little kiddos in the household, I think this would be something they would be fighting over, but I think this would be cool on someone's bedside table. My Gen Zers out there, this would be something cool to have on your office desk, your personal bedside table. I'm not going to judge you because, I'm a big nerd myself. So yes, I would have something like this hanging out next to my bed. So if that's you, you might want to take a look at this, guys. Now it comes in two different colors. You can get it in this sportish black that you see right here, and there's also a white variant of this as well. So it really just depends on, which of the two you guys might like. All right, guys, so never be powerless again out in the cold weather. You're going to keep your hands warm, and you'll be able to charge your devices right off of this sporty little hand warmer, alien invader, whatever you want to call it. I just think it's so cute. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Definitely check this out. I think this is going to be a great gift for someone, or maybe just for you. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.